the Republic to clear out all this doubt and mess that have been circulated through the media that after having taken the official permission from His Excellency to visit my family with some family issues in Pibo, that I was going not to come back, and following the allegation of the media in Facebook that has been put that I was resigned from my work. So all these have been the mess that have been created by the enemies. So again, it's the government of the Republic of South Sudan officials. So here I would like to put clearly that all these have been information that have been created from nowhere. And I'm seriously warning these people who normally causing the terror and havoc to the listening of the people of the Republic of South Sudan, that that's not the way how we can, tackle our own issues. So the best way to go about is to encourage ourselves. It is to join with the government and sit around the table whenever there are some misunderstanding within the institutions or outside the institution as the nation of the Republic, so that we have a positive way to go. However, to allege ourselves or to accuse ourselves, that's not how we can handle our own challenges. So therefore, we like to say all what have been circulated are rumors. Here I am, and I'm doing my official work in my office faithfully, and I did not have even any misunderstanding with my people in the ministry and all the government official or with any people. Thank you very much.
Honorable Minister, just a question quickly. There was a wrong information recently on Friday that you walked out of the...
Three of us. It was the Minister of Finance, Stephen Dew, Honorable Minister Woodeng, myself. Three of us who took permissions in the middle of the sittings, to go out. And officially we were allowed to go. So we did not walk out in form of, realizing or found something wrong. There was nothing of that kind. It is seriously created from nowhere allegations.
The story now is that Lado Gore has resigned. Lado Gore has defected. He has defected. The internet is full with my name. I therefore want to take this opportunity to tell the public and the world at large that I have no reason to rebel against the government in Juba, because I'm party to it. I am party to it because I believe that it is that agreement and that agreement alone that will bring peace to our people. It would unite our people. It will bring back millions of our people who have now run away. They are in the neighboring countries. They are in the neighboring countries, millions of our citizens. Some are starving. Some are starving. And we should not allow this to continue. It must be stopped.